Bonjour, Paris. Welcome to the city that never fails to enchant and inspire. Paris, the city of lights, of love, of art. A place where every corner tells a story and every street is a canvas of history and culture. A place that captures hearts with its timeless beauty and enchanting atmosphere. From the twinkling lights of the Eiffel Tower to the serene banks of the Seine, Paris is a city that lives and breathes romance. Paris promises an unforgettable experience. From world-class museums and galleries to vibrant street art and local markets, there's something for everyone. This guide is your key to unlocking the city's secrets, offering practical tips and local insights to ensure a smooth and memorable trip. Just from mastering basic French phrases to navigating the metro system, we'll help you blend in like a local and make the most of your time in Paris. We'll equip you with the tools to confidently explore Paris, learn how to greet locals, ask for directions, and order delicious French cuisine. Discover the best ways to exchange currency, ensuring you get the best rates and avoid unnecessary fees. Immerse yourself in French culture and indulge in the city's culinary delights. From freshly baked croissants to gourmet dining experiences, Paris is a food lover's paradise. We'll also delve into safety tips, accommodation options, and how to choose the best place to stay based on your preferences and budget. Get ready to embark on an incredible Parisian adventure. Pack your bags, bring your curiosity, and prepare to be amazed. With this guide in hand, you'll be well prepared to embrace the magic of Paris and create memories that will last a lifetime. Capture every moment and let the city leave an indelible mark on your heart. Get ready to fall in love with Paris. The city awaits you with open arms and endless possibilities. Parlez-vous français? Key phrases for travelers. While many Parisians speak English, especially in tourist areas, knowing a few basic French phrases can greatly enhance your experience. It shows respect for the local culture and can lead to more authentic interactions. Start with the essentials. Bonjour, hello, merci, thank you. Au revoir, goodbye, s'il vous plaît, please, and excusez-moi, excuse me. These simple phrases go a long way in everyday situations. When ordering food, je voudrais, I would like, and l'addition, s'il vous plaît, the bill please, will come in handy. If you need help, don't hesitate to ask parlez-vous anglais? Do you speak English? Remember, even a little effort to speak French is greatly appreciated by the locals. Next on our list is navigating the City of Lights. Transportation tips. If you enjoy videos on beautiful cities around the world, hit that subscribe button. Enjoy the world with me every week. Paris offers a comprehensive and efficient public transportation system, making it easy to get around the city. Whether you're a tourist or a local, you'll find various options to suit your needs. The metro is the fastest and most convenient option, with lines covering most areas of Paris. With 16 lines and over 300 stations, you can reach almost any destination quickly and efficiently. Buses are another reliable choice, especially for shorter distances or routes not covered by the metro. They run frequently and can take you to places the metro doesn't reach. They offer a scenic way to see the city as well. Enjoy views of iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower and Notre Dame Cathedral from the comfort of your seat. For a touch of Parisian charm, hop on a batibus, a water taxi that cruises along the Seine River. It's a unique way to travel and offers stunning views of the city's skyline. Taxis are readily available but can be expensive, especially during peak hours. They are a good option if you need to get somewhere quickly or if you're carrying heavy luggage. Ride-hailing services like Uber are also popular alternatives. They offer the convenience of door-to-door service and can be a more affordable option compared to traditional taxis. Consider purchasing a Navigo Pass or a carnet of metro tickets for cost-effective travel. The Navigo Pass offers unlimited travel on all public transportation, while a carnet gives you a bundle of single-use tickets. Remember to validate your ticket before boarding any public transportation to avoid fines. This simple step ensures a smooth and hassle-free journey. Let's move on to managing your money with euros and exchange rates. Managing your money in Paris can be a smooth experience if you plan ahead and understand the local currency. France, like many European countries, uses the euro as its currency. The euro is widely accepted and used for all transactions. It's advisable to exchange some currency before your trip to have cash on hand upon arrival. This can save you time and stress, especially after a long flight. Airports and train stations often have currency exchange booths, but they may charge higher fees. These fees can add up, so it's best to exchange only a small amount if necessary. Banks typically offer better exchange rates. Visiting a local bank can be a more economical option for exchanging larger amounts of money. ATMs are widely available throughout the city and provide a convenient way to withdraw euros. They often offer competitive exchange rates, but be mindful of any international withdrawal fees your bank may charge. Credit cards are widely accepted in most establishments, including restaurants, shops, and hotels. However, it's always a good idea to carry some cash for smaller purchases, tips, and in case you encounter any issues with your cards. Be aware of dynamic currency conversion fees when using your credit card. These fees can be avoided by opting to be charged in the local currency whenever possible. This ensures you get the best exchange rate and avoid unnecessary charges. Additionally, mobile payment options like Apple Pay and Google Wallet are becoming increasingly popular and can be a convenient way to manage your money without carrying too much cash. Always keep an eye on the current exchange rates and plan your transactions accordingly to make the most of your money while enjoying the beautiful city of Paris. When in Paris, understanding French culture and customs. French culture is rich in tradition and etiquette. Parisians generally appreciate politeness and good manners. A simple bonjour when entering a shop or interacting with someone goes a long way. The French value their personal space, so avoid standing too close or interrupting conversations. Table manners are important, so keep your hands above the table and avoid talking with your mouth full. When it comes to fashion, Parisians are known for their chic and effortless style. While there's no need to dress formally, it's best to avoid wearing athletic wear or overly casual clothing when exploring the city. Embrace the art of conversation and savor the moment. To tip or not to tip, Parisian tipping etiquette. Tipping in Paris is not as customary as in some other countries, but it is still appreciated for good service. A service charge is usually included in restaurant bills, but it's customary to leave a small additional tip of 5 to 10% for exceptional service. For taxis, rounding up the fare to the nearest euro or leaving a few extra euros is a common practice. In hotels, you can leave a few euros for housekeeping staff or tip bellhops for carrying your luggage. Remember, tipping is always at your discretion and should reflect the quality of service received. Next, we will go over finding your Parisian home. Paris offers a wide range of accommodations to suit every budget and preference. From luxurious hotels to charming guest houses and self-catering apartments, you'll find plenty of options to choose from. If you're looking for a splurge, consider iconic hotels like the Ritz, Le Bristol, or the Four Seasons Hotel George V. For a more boutique experience, explore neighborhoods like Le Marais or Saint-Germain-des-Prés, known for their stylish hotels. Budget-friendly options include hostels, guest houses, and Airbnb rentals. Consider the location and proximity to public transportation when making your choice. Book your accommodation in advance, especially during peak season, to secure the best rates and availability. Okay, staying connected. Wi-Fi and mobile data in the City of Lights. Staying connected in Paris is relatively easy, with widespread availability of Wi-Fi and mobile data. Most hotels, cafes, and restaurants offer free Wi-Fi to their patrons. You can also find free Wi-Fi hotspots in public spaces like parks and libraries. If you need constant connectivity, consider purchasing a local SIM card with a data plan. Mobile operators like Orange, SFR, and Bouygues Telecom offer various prepaid options. Ensure your phone is unlocked before your trip to use a local SIM card. Time to take a culinary adventure through Parisian cuisine. Paris is a culinary paradise offering a delectable array of flavors and dining experiences. From Michelin-starred restaurants to cozy bistros and street food stalls, there's something to tantalize every palate. Indulge in classic French dishes like steak frites, onion soup, escargots, and coq au vin. Don't miss out on trying freshly baked croissants, pain au chocolat, and macarons from local patisseries. Explore different neighborhoods to discover hidden culinary gems. Le Marais is known for its falafel and Jewish bakeries, while the Latin Quarter offers a diverse range of international cuisines. Be sure to try the local cheeses and wines, and don't be afraid to ask for recommendations. Staying safe in the City of Lights tips for a secure trip. Paris is generally a safe city for tourists, but it's always wise to take precautions to ensure your well-being. Be aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded areas like tourist attractions and public transportation. Keep your valuables secure and avoid carrying large amounts of cash. Be wary of pickpockets, especially in crowded areas and on public transport. It's advisable to use the interior pockets of your bag or wear a money belt. At night, stick to well-lit and populated areas. Avoid walking alone in deserted streets or parks. If you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to contact the local authorities. If you would like to see the top spots to visit, plus a few hidden tourist gems, check out these videos and remember to like and subscribe as I add new videos every week. Trust your instincts and enjoy your time in Paris.